ఏడకు.
What is your name? What is your name? What is your name?
Vivan.
Vivan, very good. Where is the M letter? Show me. M. Very good. Capital M, small m.
Capital.
Capital M, very good. Next, capital D. Capital D. Where is the capital D? Very good. Next, Q. Q. Very good. Next, K. K. K letter where? K. Very good. Very good boy. O. O letter. O. O. Very good boy. Next, N. 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 N letter. N letter give me, Nana. N letter. N. Very good. Next, Z. Z. Very good boy. Next, B. Capital B. Very good boy. Very good. Class, Nana. Very good. Very good.